Lesson 2. Sharpening our pencil. A dull instrument, like a dull mind, will not be tolerated. Not in this classroom. We must demand precision from ourselves, precise action to communicate effectively with an antsy and ambiguous public. To do this, we need precise tools. Our pencil, an extension of our arm. And when our arm strikes, it must strike with purpose, so that when the scraps and dust are blown away, our creation will be made clear. Way to go, pupils! We've completed another lesson. Now go home and sharpen for next week's class, where we will organize our creative closets.